Latest crypto and NFT news. Opera Crypto x Alteon to introduce a launchpad for NFT creators. Opera Crypto has announced a partnership with Alteon to introduce an Alteon LaunchPad, an ecosystem for NFTs and blockchain, to facilitate creators with creating and uploading collectibles on the browser. With NFT and crypto mass adoption, Opera has expanded its reach into the industry by adding new Web3-based features. To make adoption simpler and user-friendly, Opera Crypto is launching the Alteon LaunchPad that will help creators democratize the creative process. One of the biggest challenges for any Web3 company is to attract Web2 users. Opera Crypto browser is all about exploring Web3 privately and securely. We are giving users the opportunity to contribute freely to this ecosystem, Susie Batt, crypto ecosystem lead at Opera said. Visit our website for more news.